guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this windmill name frame. This is something we sell in Canton, and I figured I would make a video while I was painting it. So I'm going in with the color of the Gulf, and I'm base coating the name frame part of my sign. And then next I'm going to go in with the color Putty, and I'm just going to paint my windmill. Now that everything is dried a little bit, I'm going to go in with a sponge brush and some of the color Chocolate, and I'm just going to distress the edges of my windmill. And then once I'm done distressing the edges, I just went in and added a little distressing on each of the windmill blades, and then that would actually complete my project. And you can go in and do some hand lettering on your sign part and put a last name or whatever you want, or you could go in with vinyl and that will work as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.